We've been working with Tejas together for many, many years. I know him for now more than 15 years. For sure, our interaction in the beginning was very different. But over the last few years, with his association with Total Tools and now Unicall, our experience has been fantastic. As a partner, it's something that we are absolutely proud of, and it's a partnership that we would like to continue for a long time. I wish them all the best, not only for the show here at Indiawood, but also for all the future ventures. They have big plans, and it is always nice to see more and more of Indian companies like theirs growing and trying to be a global partner or global giant. That is good, and I wish them all the best.